The biggest U.S. student visa rule in decades is now facing strong opposition, and Indian students could be the most affected. An Indian diaspora organization, the Foundation for India and Indian Diaspora Studies, has urged the U.S. Congress and USCIS to pause the new rule replacing the long-standing duration of status system. Beginning September 15, 2026, most F1 students, J1 exchange visitors, and I-visa holders will receive a fixed admission period of up to 4 years, instead of staying as long as they maintain valid student status. If students need more time for research, a PhD, STEM programs, or OPT, they must apply to USCIS for an extension of stay instead of simply updating their university records. The rule also cuts the grace period after graduation from 60 days to 30 days, tightens transfers between programs and universities, and may require additional immigration filings for OPT. The Department of Homeland Security says the change improves national security, prevents visa abuse, and strengthens monitoring after student admissions crossed 1.8 million in 2024. But FIDs, universities, and immigration experts warn the rule adds unnecessary bureaucracy. They point out that the average U.S. bachelor's degree takes about 52 months, while a PhD averages 5.7 years, meaning many students would need immigration approval before completing their studies. They also argue USCIS already has a backlog of over 11 million cases. India now has more than 363,000 students studying in the U.S., making it the largest international student community. FIDES wants Congress to restore the duration of status system, exempt graduate STEM and OPT programs from the 4-year limit, and bring back the 60-day grace period.